Okay, so today I'm having a bit of a change from the old carp fishing. I've decided to come down to the little river near my house. Just got a light spinning rod with me and a landing net and a few bits in my pocket, which for a summer's evening is all I need. I'm only here for like an hour and a half. Just going to try some of these rubber lures and see how we get on, see if we can get any perch and chub. And that's my first one on the little lures. I'm happy with that little perch. Not very big, but it's absolutely swallowed that bait. There he is, nice little perch. First one I've had on that little thing, little lure. And there's the second one, first casting, lovely little chub. And same as the perch, that's absolutely hammered that lure, took it right in. Just get the hook out. There it is, fell for that little thing again. Have another look at him. It's a cracking little fish. Really happy with that one. And here's the third one of the day. Yet again, he's nailed that little thing, but it's a lovely little fish, nice little perch. Let's get him unhooked. A little bit bigger than the last one we had. Lovely little dorsal fin on him. Cracking little fish. Let's put him back. Okay, well, it's just starting to get dark. Been, well, had a couple of hours. Can't remember how many I've had. Either 4 or 5. All on that little guy. Little wiggly lure. And I must admit, I've enjoyed it more than I thought I would. It's been really good fun. You get quite a few, there's a lot of smaller fish in here, so even with the bait that small, you get in like little taps and knocks. Because the fish just, I don't think they're really big enough to engulf it, but the ones that are, when you do get a take, it's a good slam on rod tip. It's quite exciting. So I'll be back for some more.